Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to verify your CGC certified collectible. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have a CGC slab and you want to make sure that it's real, or maybe you're buying it and you want to make sure that, again, it's real. How do you actually go ahead and verify that? So the way that I did it is that I went to cgcgrading.com/en-us/verify. To be honest, it's a lot easier to just look up CGC lookup and then clicking on the first link that you see here. So once you click on this link, you want to scroll down and then click on CGC certified card, and then you're going to be redirected to this page right over here. So once you're on this page here, you need to enter the certification number. So the certification number is this number right here. So we're just going to type that in. Once we type in the certification number, you're going to see all the details of the CGC certified card here. And as you can see, this is the same identical card that I have at hand. So there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and verify that you have a CGC certified slab. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.